Demonstration practice. I will demonstrate it once for you. Please practice with me. Step left with your left foot. Raise both hands naturally. Palms inward, thumbs pointing back. Double shoulder swing. Ready, begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stop. Do it in reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left shoulder swing. From back to front. Ready, begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Swing from front to back. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Swing the right shoulder back to front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From front to back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Swing both shoulders, alternating yin and yang. Ready, begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready, begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When swinging the shoulders, pay close attention. Relax the whole body. Keep the shoulders natural and fluid. Return to start. Liangyi Kung Fu serves two main purposes. First, health and wellness. Second, combat and pressure point striking. This shoulder swinging exercise loosens the joints to aid power generation.